All right, welcome back, guys. Sorry, I had a little over sleep today. I was up late last night in the live Discord channel with you guys, trying to let you guys know that we are probably going to see some downside action. I know a lot of you guys might have got stuck in some longs. I said it over and over again. Like, the red band area territories are where you don't want to be in long positions. All right, I even have drawn out on my chart here that we're going to come back down to like this 55K area, and I think we're about there. We could even come as far down as 52, as long as we don't break this demand line, guys. That's the whole key point here, is that as long as we can hold this demand line, guys, I think we'll be okay to move the price higher. That happens to be the key area here. We're looking for this confluent area here around this 55 area. All right, we're at 32 on the RSI. This is like prime territory to start building long positions. Okay. Yo, what's up, Crypto Pants? What's going on, dude? We're gonna go to like the hourly chart here and see what's happening. So this low right here, around this 53 area, actually could still be. We could even come below, or right below the demand line, come back in the demand line. Okay, possible that we even come down as far as that, just to fake everybody out, right? I also want to announce the winners for the Bybit competition. All right, let's see if I can get this up real quick. I'm not 100% sure on these emails, but essentially these three folks won the competition, and they are eligible for either the Nano Ledger X or the USDT equivalent. Okay. So if you're one of these winners here, I don't know, I can't really obviously disclose the entire email here. It's just kind of start out, but if you see your email up here, make sure you message one of the STP team members here, myself, Mr. Know-It-All, STP Todd, or STP Ninja Trader. All right. All right, let's get back to the show here. So the 15-minute is kind of showing some seller exhaustion here. As we saw before, the 4-hour, okay, we're sitting around 30 on the RSI. All right, so the 4-hour at 30 on the RSI, guys, is probably an area where you could look to, build your long positions back up. But it doesn't necessarily mean we're done with this dump, all right? I'm just saying that we could get a short-term move back up, all right? Get out of oversold territory and get a bounce back up to a lower high, where we come back down one more time for one more leg to touch right on the demand line, all right? But that's something that we could do here. It's very possible that this is the scenario we're looking at. Obviously, we're looking oversold right now on 15-minute and hourly timescales, and we're already showing signs of maybe a reversal here on the 15-minute, all right? Okay. I want to look at daily time scale as well. Yeah, obviously this didn't play out, but so the daily can be definitely extended out, right, for the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, US, we can take a look at it. So you can still see that it's making higher lows, all right, from these lows here. Still hanging in this range. Sven, we'll take a look at Luna here in a second, all right, man? In a minute. So on the daily time scale, just from the bottom of the range to top of the range, looking at about 88% move. Once you come out of this downslope consolidation, and you're going to consolidate. Listen, you're going to probably consolidate. If Bitcoin's consolidating and or correcting itself, it's going to do the same. You know, it's going to follow whatever the market's doing, right? It's a very small cap, so easily swayed by a larger market cap coin like Bitcoin. And TA goes completely out the window on some of these coins, guys. If Bitcoin makes a sudden move down, a sudden drop down, you're going to see that trickle-down effect happen very, very fast. Okay. So yeah, once you break the range, looking at about 88% measured move from here. Roughly right around about that $40 area, $37 area. But you could just downslope and consolidate for a while before you get there, right? Ryan, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. We're gonna look at CBC and Luna, okay, guys? And ADA, we'll look at that as well. We'll look at Luna first. So guys, Luna literally just broke through the 236 pip extension. All right, so we could actually come all the way down to 1290 and even a 50% correction, 1075, okay? Unless this market just completely reverses right here, right now, we could get up to a 50% retrace. Guys, this is the golden zone, all right, between the 382 fib extension down to the 618 for a reversal, all right? Like you can even see that this demand line 1-2 touchdown here. You could definitely get a move down to at least 13 or close to this 382. This 1290 area, okay, this is going to be an area where we could get a reversal, right? Where you get a reversal back to the upside, right? You could start building a position here. I'm not telling you not to do that, but I would see what happens when you get down to this demand line here, right? That's going to be, in my opinion, that's going to be an area of value. Or becoming an area of value, okay? CBC, let's take a look at it. So we got this breakout. We're back testing the breakout right now. If you extend these lines out, you can see that it's doing just that. All right, we just came right back down and back tested. And bouncing and consolidating right above here. Sven, no, it is not bearish to get a correction. That is not a bearish thing. You guys just get too hyped up about a coin after it does like an 80-90% move. It's gonna have a correction, man. It's not just gonna go straight up forever before going back, before resetting itself, right? So CBC broke out, back tested now. This is an area where you could if this support area holds, like this is definitely an area where you could definitely look to trade this back to the upside, right? So we created this downsloping channel here. We're just consolidating on the previous supply line that is now acting as a support. We could definitely break back out of this, all right, and head to new highs. And 88, let's take a look at it. So ADA just sitting right below right now, currently right below the demand line, okay? But this cluster of support has been a support for quite some time. There's been a lot of trading in this range, right? But just watch, you've made some lower highs here, okay? Made some lower highs here. I'd like to see this get back above this demand line. I get back above it, make a higher high than this high. Maybe break to $1.20, come back down, back test it as a support, and look for a nice long entry here, but trade it back up, okay? XRP and BTT. XRP still looks really nice to me. We had a breakout. We're probably going to come back down to back test the breakout, right? Well, the shorter time scale, the 15-minute made a low and a higher low here. So maybe we come back up to test this again. This neckline. Guys, I can only look at one coin at a time, all right? One sec. So I like this low than this higher low we've made here on XRP. Again, this is a 15-minute time scale, guys. All right. Well, if we do hold this fib, we're right on a Fibonacci here, okay? Looking left, we're on a major Fibonacci, okay? If this area does hold as support, right, we have triple hidden bullish divergence here on the oscillator, implying there will be price action back to the upside, all right, on the hourly. If we can come out of this negative momentum, all right? And we probably just come back up to test the top, all right? This $0.0888 area, right? Would I recommend investing in XRP? I don't recommend investing in anything that... I don't recommend investing in anything. I'm just looking at charts, guys. You guys can do your own diligence in terms of research. And I'm just looking at what the chart's saying. That's it. Just for educational purposes, entertainment purposes. Guys, none of this is financial advice, all right? So XRP, sitting on a fib right now. If Bitcoin bounces here, if the whole market bounces here, we'll see a rally out of this wedge. But we could maybe make a lower high, all right, and then come back down again, because we still haven't back tested the 62-cent area, all right. But anyways, the measured move is back to the top of the wedge. From there, we'll see what ends up happening. We could just consolidate up there too. It really depends on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin decides that it wants to break further down, if it wants to break the demand line, then we got problems if we break the demand line. But right now, Bitcoin's okay. We're sitting above the demand line, okay? Above the demand line, guys, no worries, no worries. Just buying opportunities, okay? What did I miss? BTT and BNB. All right. Not sure what you guys want out of this coin, but let's see. What's going on, Slim? All right, man. Your ETH short was on point last night, brother. I was saying that we had that daily bearish divergence, right? Let's see. BTT, man. Yeah, I mean, we could definitely get a pullback on this, and there's no doubt. We've been actually needing pullbacks here. Pullbacks are healthy, guys. We want pullbacks. All right, so anywhere in this range, guys, for BTT. I don't know if we're going to get the 618, but we could. If we get a really big correction, we could definitely see it. So right now we're sitting at that 236 pip extension. I'm saying the sweet spot area probably at the 382, okay? All right, so this is fine, guys. We're just getting a pullback. Everyone freaks out when the market goes down. It's actually healthy to see these types of corrections in this market. What else? BTT, BNB. I mean, I don't know what you guys want out of BNB. This thing broke out, did half the measured move, and is now pulling back, probably to come down to back test this previous area as a support. BNB actually looks better than a lot of these other coins right now. Right? You see how it's rounding up here? This move is probably going to start up again. You're diverging on the RSI, making a higher low on the RSI with the same low on price. Right? Roughly the same lows on price. This might even start going back up again. Right? We're implying hidden bullish divergence here. We're flashing MFI buy signals on the hourly. 15-minute looks pretty good for a move back up. Although, just be careful. We are in a bear flag for the moment, all right? This is a bear flag for the moment. So we break back out of it, all right? We break out of this to the upside. We're looking at about 8.7%, you know, bringing us right back to where we broke down from. And if we get up to the supply line here and fail to break higher, obviously that means we can maybe take a short and short this back down to 350 area. This is that area here where we could maybe look to short, okay? Hey, Crypto Greg, thank you so much for the $10 super chat, brother. Let's see, what else do we got here? Tron. We'll cover OMG first, right? Thank you so much for the $10 super chat. But basically, back to BNB. If we don't break the supply line, guys, we're going to get rejected, and then we're going to come back down. We are in this is a mini bear flag here on the 15-minute chart. And we're overall on a massive uptrend, so I don't really honestly expect this bear flag to play out unless Bitcoin decides to keep dropping, all right? We're going to look at OMG. And OMG went on quite a run, right, guys? We called this out on the stream the other day. I think it was yesterday. Like right around this $8 area, got a major move up to, wow, what do you know, right up to my Fibonacci line here. And we marked it off on the chart. $11.16, touched it and pulled back. I mean, like, what do you guys want? This is perfection here on the chart. Absolute perfection on the chart. And so we broke out of the triangle, touched the 786 fib extension, came back down to back test the breakout, and got a nice spring off of the back test, right? This coin is green right now, guys. This coin is green right now. Very strong in a major uptrend. Okay. OMG still looks really, really good here, guys. STP DMI in the green territory, in the buy zone right now. All right, on the hourly, bullish on the MACD, bullish on the RSI. I mean, OMG looks really nice, Crypto Greg. All right. Well, look at AKRO, man. You know, there is a super chat button if you're really, really adamant about me covering a certain coin, man. Just saying. Crypto Greg gets it. He comes on here and tips me every stream, man. Crypto Greg, I love you, dude. You're an awesome guy, man. I really appreciate your time and effort that you're spending here on the stream with me. Thank you so much for your super chats. I really do appreciate it. And for all of you other guys that have super chatted me and tipped me on stream, thank you guys as well. It is appreciated. Okay. So you're making higher lows on the hourly right now. All right, you break back out of this supply line, you will make higher prices if this breaks back out. Okay, 1085 first area of resistance. Then you got the 786 fib extension right here, $11.17 to break back above, and then you're looking at a major move. All right, and you're looking at that next fib, basically 1782. Right, the 886. Obviously, you're going to have levels in between here that you're going to probably get stuck at. If you look left on the chart, you're going to see you have some wicks here to break through. Right, you got wicks here at 1244. Hey Rod, thank you so much, man. You got wicks. You got wicks here at 1339. You got some resistance here at 1465. Like I said, you got some room in between here, but you basically went straight down, right? So if you get enough conviction and enough buying pressure, you're going to get this move right out of here. It's not going to be stagnating at this price for very much longer. It will just break right through this, okay? Loads of YouTubers expecting Bitcoin is going to crash in April. Why, though? I don't know, man. I don't really look at what other YouTubers are putting out. I just look at the charts. That's it. Verge getting primed. What's VanCat? Never heard of that. We'll look at Reef here. Sorry if I missed a couple of these. Tron. Look at Tron. We called Tron out at like 4.5 cents before it broke out of here. Yeah, I mean, come on. I mean, look, what do you guys want, dude? This thing went up to the. What do you know? It touched a fib extension. Perfect touch, and I even had it circled on the chart, guys. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I mean, the thing's not just going to keep going straight up. Like, it did the move. 134%. It did the move. Did the move. 100% did the move. Came right back down to, what do you know? This previous area here I'd marked off on the chart at the top of the wick. Look left. You're right at it. It's being supported there now. What was previous resistance is now acting as support. This is beautiful. This is what you want to see on charts, guys. 100% what you want to see on the charts. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Don't freak out. It's normal. This is all normal stuff happening on the chart. Just gives you another buying. It literally just gives you another buying opportunity. Oh man, I don't want to buy into a pump. Oh, let's buy into a dump. What do you know? Perfect. Antonio, yeah, my pleasure, man. I know people freak out, dude. People get emotional when they trade. You just need to understand that nothing just goes straight up forever. You gotta get a pullback, man. You gotta get the pullback. Someone's taking profit on the way up, right? Someone's doing it. The guy who bought down here on the stream the other day at 4 cents when I identified this as a major pattern. All right. I mean, you caught this whole move, right? 50%. Yeah, definitely sell half your position up here. Guess what? Reaccumulate it down here. Nah, it's all good, man. Everyone's got to learn sometime. Let's see. Oh, Rod, thank you so much for the $10 super chat. What are the 2 more bullish looking tokens in your charts today? I don't know. Let's scroll through some, man. Let's scroll through some charts. 1 inch looks pretty good right now. Looks pretty green. Oh, what do you know? We broke out and back tested and we're rallying, spring in a rally. I would say 1 inch looks pretty good. Okay, you can see on the 4 hour, you're just coming at a negative momentum and you're showing this hidden bullish divergence here after getting that back test in spring. You can see the volume even supported here. This looks really nice for continuation, I'd say. Probably up to 580 range, and then up to this neckline here at $6.10. And if you manage to break that, well, it's open skies. There's nothing up here. All right. AKRO, people were asking about this one. Let's go to the spot chart real quick on this. Hopefully there's more data than what's on here. One inch is because of Coinbase. Dude, whatever you want. The news just justifies the technicals. That's all I have to say. I didn't even know. I don't pay attention to news, guys, because 90% of the time the news comes after the move. All right? Comes after the move is being set up on the chart. If you guys have been with me since I started calling out XRP at 47 cents, you guys know what I saw on this chart. I don't know what the news was for XRP, but I'm sure there was big news about it, right? Had a big move, right? I don't know. Whatever. What about storage? Called out storage at 90 cents. I didn't know there was going to be news about it. Just a massive pattern. Just a massive pattern. All right, we got 50 people watching. Make sure you guys smash up the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Make sure you guys tick the little bell, all right? I work hard every day for you guys on these charts. So AKRO. I was calling XRP before 47. There you go. There you go. I definitely was calling it in the 30s, 30 cents, 17 cents area. I was basically calling the bottom on XRP. Yeah. All right. So AKRO, we're coming up to the top red band area here. This does look like a cup pattern on the 4 hour. Although you are showing on the 4 hour, you are showing some divergence. All right, definitely be aware of that. Okay. Stimulate. We'll look at engine in a minute, man. I know you obviously need to be stimulated based upon your name. Need a stimulation. Antonio, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, brother. Appreciate that. All right, so we have a bit of divergence showing on the 4 hour. The hourly looks like we're pulling back here. Maybe we get to, yes, sir, Toncave, yep. We called out Walton Chain at 35 cents, the bottom of the pattern. So the 4 hour on AKRO showing bearish divergence, hourly pulling back. We could easily come back to back test this previous area where we broke out from, this 7 cent area, okay? Maybe we get a spring and go after that, right? All right, let's look at ETH. Everyone wants to know what's going on with that. It still looks to me like a major cup and handle pattern, right? And this could be the bottom of the handle. But I even said the other day we could actually come back to the bottom of this triangle here, this 1800 area, if Bitcoin continues to drop. So what could happen is this. We could get an oversold bounce to maybe test the top neckline again here on ETH and make a triple top, 1, 2, 3 top and then come all the way back down to like 1800. It's possible. And I don't think it's going to happen, but it's possible that, you know, we could get that type of scenario, all right? So I know there's a lot of stuff on this chart, but we could get the move back up because we're oversold right now. Okay. What I think might happen is actually, or what I want, let's just say I want to have happen, is that this actually is the cup on this or this is the handle on this cup pattern, all right? And we just handle right out of here and go to 2,500 bucks. Rod, awesome, man. Ross, awesome. Yeah, so the 15-minute right now, or the hourly, is implying price action back to the upside. We got MFI signals coming in. Hourly stokes pointed up. We're showing this hidden divergence here as well. Okay. To go back up. All right. At least for a bounce to a lower high. Maybe back up to that $2,000 area. Depends on what Bitcoin does, really. If Bitcoin starts to collapse, then all these coins are going to collapse with it. All right, what did we miss? Engine coin, right? Yeah, engine. Wow. So engine coin actually broke the demand line and then came back into the pattern and tried to break out of it. That's something you don't see very often. Interesting. But I was calling for these levels here if we did break the demand line down further. So for upside targets, if we continue to move higher, which it looks like the 4 hour is implying that, you got your first resistance here around this 260 area. You got some wicks up here to break. 264, 280 now. And then at the top, $3. Then price discovery. Oh, let's look at Reef. We missed that one. It looks like the demand line's here. Right. Still in the pattern. I mean, yeah, you're making lower highs. You want to make sure you hold this demand line on Reef. This one's really been performing pretty crappy. And KR, sure. No, I don't. Did I do? I think I did AKRO. Still on the falling channel. All right. Just marked off a couple of the major support areas here if we do break the channel down, all right? Chainlink, sure. So this 4 hour looks like They're flashing buy signals on the 4-hour. The daily has room to run down, man. You're just starting to create this negative momentum, all right? Got a bearish cross up here. You're still in bullish territory, though, so you want to be buying these dips. But I'd be looking for like that 0.08 area. That looks like the area maybe where you could pull back to. You know, a lot of the times you're going to get these 50% pullbacks on these, all right? Yeah, 0.09 maybe. Top of this wick, maybe like 10, 11 cents. Okay, Chainlink, sure. Same thing for Link, right? We got to the resistance here, pulling back. We could pull back 20 to 25 bucks. Why not? Come right back down to this fib line here. We're actually showing some pretty nasty divergence. Oh. I don't know, actually. Not really. Maybe not really a divergence, but you have a higher and a higher high. But did we make a higher high on price? You have a high and 33.18 and 35. So you did make a higher high on price, so that's fine. That's not really a divergence. It's just a pullback at resistance. We did cover ETH, yes. But if you notice, this pattern looks a lot like this pattern here, just in a smaller version of, right? These patterns look very similar. And when it got up to that resistance line, it pulled back and made a higher low. So we're gonna pull back and make a higher low, and then we're gonna run again. Right? You can see it here. The same pattern, just miniature version. Same pattern, miniature version of. You guys see it? Let's see ones in the chat if you guys see the same pattern here. It's rhyming or repeating itself in a smaller version. Now let's take a look at alpha. So alpha breaking down and it broke the demand line. So depending on where this closes today, guys, if we close below the demand line, I repeat, if we close the daily below the demand line, we will likely have a green day and back test the demand line tomorrow. So this 185 area, okay, if we cannot get back into this pattern, we will continue the move down, okay, to the next fib. So in the short term here, we can see that, you can already see that it's tried to back test here and it rejected it, right? And just continue breaking down. But on the daily, I think we're going to still get one more attempt at rally back, okay? One more attempted rally back to this 185 area on alpha. And if we reject it again, right, then we're for sure going to make lower lows, all right? But if we break it, we break back into the pattern and we rally up to 195, and then we come back down and back test this area, this demand line as support again, and we can run and we can actually break out. So this is important to pay attention to, okay? You guys are trading this, or even a bag holder of this. All right? A couple different scenarios can play out here. that you need to pay attention to. All right, hopefully that answers your question, whoever asked about Alpha. Pavel. All right. Annie, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate that. I'm not sure what so large Tekken is. Is that a ticker? BCH, yeah, sure. We got the nice breakout here, right? Dude, yes, there is. But it can go as low as 53,000 and still be valid. Sure, Dutch, we can check it. Looks like a back test to me. And we came back and touched this area here. This support here at 610. Now we're just kind of resting here. All right. Although the 15-minute Stokes don't look too good, we crossed down. All right. But if Bitcoin starts to rebound here, then we can definitely see this being as a potential bottom, okay? A short-term bottom, you know? We corrected from about $700 now to whatever this low was here, about 15%. Yeah, we could get one more leg down. It's possible. We did make a lower high, right? Looking left, we made a lower high than the previous highs. Right? We came up to this resistance here and got rejected. And so we're looking, yeah, this is definitely an area to maybe start to average back into a long on Bitcoin Cash, because you have this area here now as your support, right? Until this breaks all the way down, and then maybe you come back down to 500 and then rally again. I don't think we're going to do that. Unless Bitcoin decides it's going to continue its move down, right? But I think at this point, you know, this could be an area where you could, okay? Ryan, I did not look at Filecoin. We'll look at it here in just 1 second. I'm just going to finish my analysis on Bitcoin Cash, and then we'll get to Filecoin, EOS, and we'll go back to Bitcoin. Oh yeah, and Dentcoin. So hang on a second. So Bitcoin Cash. Watch this area for support. This $500 area, or $600 area, excuse me. If we break it, you know, you're going to go back down to this 550 area. That would be the bottom of these green band territories here. But I think right now you're respecting this parabola up. All right, I think that this asset's definitely going to go parabolic. I mean, let's look at the weekly chart. The weekly is implying continuation. We still have 4 days left to this week, and I think we're just getting a back test. That's all. You're going to back test before maybe a continuation higher, a break of 700, and you really have nothing till this next bid at like $800-900 bucks. All right, so this looks pretty good. Nice buying opportunity here for Bitcoin Cash. All right, especially on the long term. Filecoin. The daily is implying more downside for Filecoin. The 4 hour is towards the bottom of the channel. You might go to the top of the channel, 160. We're actually flashing a buy signal on the 4 hour. So this could be like a nice little swing. We could end up actually, swinging to a lower high, 200. Maybe get back up there, come back down again to go higher. But that daily chart, I mean, it's all going to depend on what happens on the smaller time scales. But yeah, this could be a potential bottom for Filecoin. We're at the bottom of the channel, guys. So this is a prime area for potential long opportunity. You're flashing buys all along here. All right. You could swing this back to the 160 range. Looks like. All right. Hopefully that's helpful for you, Ryan. EOS. So are you attempting to break out of this range right now? This looks like a major momentum shifting structure on the weekly. We're going to go to the daily chart. For the daily chart, we got up to the top of the range here, and we pulled back, right? So we got up to 720, and we pulled back, and we're back testing now, literally back testing this previous supply line that is now acting as a potential support. We're just hanging on to these lows here. So far, you can see we have a low and maybe a potential higher low. Maybe we can cup out here and go and continue higher. All right, it's not confirmed yet, but the hourly looks like you can see the selling kind of weaning, right? You have this big sell-off here and like a little bit less selling here. Maybe you get one more little drop down to like 570s, maybe even back down to 530s. That can happen before maybe you just run right out of here, all right? Okay. What else did I miss? Got Alpha. Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a second. You guys already know the green band territories are long opportunities on shorter time scales, so that's like a short scalp, right? I would wait, honestly, for a longer term swing on the 4 hour candles, right? Once you start making higher lows on the 4 hour chart, that's when you could be confident in taking a longer swing position. If you're just looking to scalp trade, you can scalp trade the hourly charts. That's fine. If you're looking for micro moves, if you're looking for this micro move back up to 56.8, you could definitely swing this. This is probably going to get back up here and maybe reject it. I even projected maybe back up to 57.4. Okay, that's definitely possible. Right, that's like that major level right here. No live trades today, guys. I'm taking a break from live trading. I'm just not the best scalp trader, to be honest with you guys. I'm a long-term swing trader. All right, that is my main focus right now. Okay. I know it's fun and exciting, but that's the problem. Is I get emotional when I'm on a stream, and I don't really have a high success rate on the streams, unless I'm already in a trade when I enter the trade, But that's not cool. That's not fun. Like, what's the fun in? Oh, he already entered the trade. That's not cool. Like, if I'm gonna do the trade, I'd rather do it on the live stream. But I tend to have like some like emotional flaw when I'm on the live stream, So I prefer not to do it, Anyways, I think Bitcoin's going to short term make a lower high and maybe come back down. You see, we have room to run on this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern to be completed we can see that we have room here. All right, we have this room here, or we could come all the way down actually, this 53.5 area, take everybody out, break the demand line, and then pop right back into it and go to the moon. So something like this, guys. It looks very, very much like this is what it's doing, right? Now, if you ask some other YouTubers, well, you know, they're going to tell you, hey, we have this, we had this, you know, this bearish harmonic pattern here, which we did. We did have this. And we did the 50% retrace and got the move out, made a lower high, and now we're coming back down. So far, we've just made some lower highs. We haven't actually broken the previous all-time highs, right? Let's go back to ETH for a minute. I still think it's, I mean, we also had this bearish harmonic pattern here as well, that we can get the 50% retrace on from this swing low. You know, that putting us, there's a lot of stuff on this chart, so hang on. But the 50% retrace would put us somewhere close to that 1650, 1700 area if we really get the pullback. I don't know that we're really going to go down that far, to be honest with you guys. But I'm shocked every day when something happens, right? Anyways, the hourly is implying we're at least going to make a move back up for now, right? We're oversold. We're going to make a move back up. All right. We've been live for almost 1 hour, guys. Make sure you guys smash up that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and you like the content here. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, make sure you guys join the Discord firstly. All right. Lots of social proof there with our products. BLZ was another one that I liked the other day. I think we were calling this out. We saw this move up here. Well, you're in a nice flag pattern here on BLZ. All right, you're coming back up to the top now. All right. CHZ. Can I share my music playlist? I'm just on Epidemic Sound, guys. This is the Deep House, Electronica, and Dance. CHZ, yep, let's look at it. Well, you know, we dropped out of the wedge, and now we're going to rip right back into it. And Dent, yeah, I totally forgot about that. Dent. Yeah, CHZ looks ready to rock. A couple buy signals in here on the 4 hour. We talked about Bitcoin's future, yes. We broke back into the wedge, and now we're back testing it here. This asset. Y Millionaire Is that all you want to watch is Bitcoin? XRP, covered it before. I think we can get a nice little, maybe a nice bounce here if this support holds. Okay, and then NEM. Looks like we got the wedge breakout, and now we're just back testing the wedge breakout. You have a low and a lower low on price, but your RSI is putting in a higher low, right? So that's some bullish divergence showing on the RSI. And you're showing like some hidden divergence here on the RSI as well. Okay, so this might be implying a move back up for NEM. FTM. So just a nice down-sloping channel for FTM. You can see that we're holding above the heart line here. Got this demand line right here. Okay. Don't break that demand line, man. You break that demand line. You break this demand line, you're going straight down to the bottom of the channel, okay? You hold that, hold the demand line, then you're gonna probably rally out, all right? Yeah, this looks like a nice buying opportunity. We're towards the bottom of the S&P DMI here in the green zone. Green zone is the buy zone, guys. Okay. Negative momentum is sort of weaning here. I mean, yes, the oscillator is in bearish territory, okay, on the hourly. But we're building this negative momentum. You can see we had this divergence play out here, and now we're building again. Maybe we can make a slightly higher low on negative momentum and start to make these lower levels of negative momentum and then go positive and then make a nice move out. Okay. Indeed, we called 1 inch out before if you guys were listening. They're not just my charts, guys. They're also your charts. So if you guys invest in yourselves and learn what's happening on these charts, I'm giving you guys all this information for free. Literally right here on YouTube. All right? What do you know? Bitcoin Cash already bounced off the $600 area of support. Bang. There goes CHZ. What do you know? Didn't we just talk about this one? I feel like we literally just spoke about this one. Boom. Just breaking right out right here. Live on stream, guys. CHZ. I'm not the best, but I do my best. That's all we can do here, guys. That's all we can do in this world is do our best and constantly improve upon ourselves, improve upon what we're doing, learn from our mistakes, right? Dent, yeah, I totally forgot about that one, man. Sorry. So the daily putting in a doji. All right, probably see some more move down on this asset. We might get a short-term bounce here off support. Maybe bounce to a lower high and come back down. Maybe look for this double bottom if we get it to go higher. Wow, 54 people on tonight. Thank you guys so much. WRX, sure. Perfect bounce right off the 1618 fib extension. Got a nice little rally, right? Perfect, right? Perfect. I mean, I didn't even do anything. You guys just see it right on my chart here, guys. So 100% measured move. Once you break the top side of the range again, you're looking at about $11 here in time. The 4 hour is implying a further continuation on this asset. Okay. That looks nice. The 4 hour looks nice. This is implying further upside, guys, on this asset. At least to come back up to test the $5.30 area, looks like. Okay. Wow. Back test and a rally for this asset. I don't even know what this one does, man. But check this out. This is like a nice cup continuation pattern here on the daily for this asset. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These charts don't lie, man. They just tell you what's happening. That's amazing. Amazing stuff here, guys. LUSD. What does this thing even do? Oh my god, this thing was wrecked. Wow, we can actually trade this all the way back up to here, guys. Right back up to 650 area. That would be the top. Once you break that, you're in price discovery on a candle body high. And then on up to 54 effing dollars. Are you guys listening to me on this, guys? Are you listening? $54 on this asset. That is 10x from here. 10x. Fucking A, man. Wow. Look at this. This is perfect. It literally, I didn't even do anything. I literally just completely respected the parabola structure. Nothing. I did nothing. And you're about to break this wick high here at 570 on this asset. Mac, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. Appreciate that. Listen, man, if there's nobody on YouTube that's going to teach you, man, it might as well be me, right? So, and you don't have to fall for all those other guys scam, like, yo, get rich quick schemes. Nah, man, none of that shit here. We take you through it, man. We take you through it step by step, candle by candle, day by day, hourly by hourly, 4-hour chart by 4-hour chart. You guys get the point. What do you know? Bottom of the range, the top of the range. Where is it taking us, guys? Oh my God, is this the wick high at 53 bucks? Interesting, interesting, interesting. It's like Tetris, guys. You're just moving the goalposts around sometimes. You need to when we get these pullbacks. You don't know how far down they're going to pull back to, but you can get an idea. You can get an idea, right? You can get an idea by like, yo, wait, just draw this trend line, right? Boom. Hit the top, pulled back. Boom. Tried to hit the top and pulled back. Rounded out here. Got a nice accumulation pattern. Oh, we hit the top of the line, pulled back. Oh my God. We tried again. Tried again. Got to the top here, pulled back, hit the parabola, and now we're rallying just again. And this is getting to the crux of the breakout. This is going to be a major breakout when it happens for this asset. I don't even know what this one does, man, but guess what? Once it breaks the top side of this range, there's nothing here. It's just going to go. You're in price discovery on a candle body, candle body wise, right? It's really just that simple, man. It really is. People think this stuff is so complicated. It's not. It's not complicated. You just have to continue to practice over and over and over again. It's like riding a bike, you know, guys? When you first started riding the bike, how many times did you fall off and hurt yourself? A lot, right? The first year I started doing this, man, I lost money. I was losing money. But guess what? I kept trying and learning and repeating the same things over and over and over again. Eventually, you have an understanding of what's happening here. Like, there's only so much you can do, right? Oh, we have major fib levels. Okay, those are probably major areas. Yeah, you're going to, like, maybe wick below it or, like, consolidate above it. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's going to be a guideline for you. It's going to be a guideline for you. Right? This looks really good, man. What do you know? We're ripping right now on stream. Come on, let's get some hype in the chat. Let's go. Let's get some hype right now in the chat. Like spike, subscriber spike. Let's go. Theta, yeah. Let's go, 16-hour stream. Yeah, why not, man? I'm on vacation this week, so F it. Let's do whatever we want. Okay, Theta. Yeah, let's check out Theta. Let's see. XLM and Okta. Forget where I had XLM charted. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay. Broke out of the wedge. Back testing the parabola right now. Guys, this is... I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know what else you guys want to see. Don't know what else you guys want to see. We're back testing right now on this wedge. We're consolidating right below the parabola. And I mean, I could probably redraw this parabola a bit. Yeah, because you can see the higher lows. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. What do you know? Higher low. We're going to rally again. Come back down, make another higher low, and just continue rallying. Probably, man. Probably. Probably. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly putting in a continuation signal right now. Come on, guys. We're consolidating right under 49 cents. Like, what else do you want here, man? What else do you want? This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. 900% measured move once you break the top side of the range. Sure, we may not do the whole move. We're looking at about maybe close to $2 on this asset. All right. Descending, broadening wedge pattern. Like, this is textbook bullish stuff right here. One looks like it found support. Cool. We'll take a look at Cody. We're going to take a look at Wink. I don't even know what these are anymore. Cody, sure. Look at this a lot. If you're asking about it, probably means it's dropping. Oh, what do you know? It's dropping. We're right at the demand line, right? This is do or die right here for Cody to hold the uptrend for now. Looks like you actually might have broke below it. Right. Ah, Theta, yeah, Theta. All right, so this asset looks like it's going to try to back test this demand line. Maybe, just maybe, if we're really bullish here, we can rip right back to the top and break out of this pattern. Take everybody out by breaking the demand line here, right? Perfect. So Theta, take a look at it. We broke out. We're back testing the wedge. This is what you want to see, man. What you want to see. That is what you want to see. Back testing the wedge. The wink. What is it? It's W-I-N? Okay, it is wink. All right. Win or win? It's win. Could be in some sort of wedge here, but this is on a 15-minute time scale. Right, you got the wicks here. You got the demand line here. Put a higher low in here, so maybe bottom, double bottom, rounding out here, maybe break to back to 0.019 area before you come back down to back test it. We're going to look at one. Yeah, you are implying maybe some hidden bullish activity here on the daily for Harmony 1. Right. See how this matures on the 4-hour. 4-hour looks pretty good. Nice little momentum shifting structure maybe here on the 4-hour. You know, he came right back down to that 12-cent area. I think I called this out a while ago. We would see a nice 50% pullback. That's what we got, guys. That's what we got. We got a 50% pullback on this asset. Right? You're at a demand line, or you're at a supply line right now. See if you can push out of here. If not, you're going to come back down to the wedge again and try to break out again. All right. Okay. All right. We've been live for an hour and 20 minutes, guys. We're going to cover Frontier. Let's look at that. Sure. This does look nice. You can see the rounding action here on this asset on the 4-hour. Nice accumulation going on here. You guys see what I see? You guys see it? Do you guys see it? I want to see some reaction in the chat. Almost like a cup, right? Basically like a cup. So tightening of the range, you guys can see the impulses are kind of shrinking on each one, but you're making higher lows, so lots of accumulation happening, and you're probably going to get a big breakout. You're looking at about 129% move once you break out of this range, right? Back up to $8 roughly on this asset. Big cup pattern, a big flag pattern, big cup pattern, however you want to call it. You can see the accumulation happening. It looks very nice. Looks very nice. Yep. Phew. Phew. I'm not sure. Can you trade this one on Lev? No, there's no perp chart on this. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are looking for a spot trade, this looks pretty good. I don't know, man. This is probably not going to go sideways. You got like some serious divergence building up here on the chart. Okay. SAR about to go long on the daily here. Four-hour prints and longs here, right? Thank you, Moon Girl. AXS also in a nice little wedge here. ETHO, yeah, we can look at it. Got that accumulation happening here on the hourly chart. Hey guys, Moon Girl told me today that she wants to learn how to trade. Now she doesn't, of course. Yes, now she doesn't. But yeah, this looks good. Nice downslope consolidation pattern. You're coming out of negative momentum here. You can like see it rounding here on the MACD. Nice accumulation. Can you left trade this? I don't think so, right? No, I haven't done a live with my wife, no. Haven't done it. Tell Moon Girl to subscribe to the alerts. She'll probably take the trades better than me. 100%, without a doubt. H-bar, yeah, let's check it out. Oof. Broke the demand line on H-bar. So yeah, about H-bar here. I mean, we could definitely see this come back to touch this demand line again. If we break back into the pattern and back test it, we can rally. But if we get rejected at the demand line, we can expect this to go a little bit further down probably, and maybe form another pattern, okay? STMX, yeah, we can look at it. Digibyte, let's look at Digibyte first. I just don't know where all the data is on this asset, man. That's the only problem is this is not all the data on Digibyte. I mean, just looking at this looks like a nice upslope and consolidation, right? You broke out. Broke the range on the weekly. Here, just back testing it right now. Right. Just back testing the support area here. STX. You know, $4. Next major area. Once you break through this area on the weekly. Just coming right back down to that 1272 fib and just resting here, right? Got that pullback. You're bouncing right off the fib line right now. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Very nice. All right, nice little falling structure here. I mean, you can pretty much draw it from right here. Or it is just back testing that breakout. There goes 1 inch, fellas. Back test and break. Beautiful. There goes Bell USDT perp. Ripping. There goes Engine Coin. Breaking back out. Art Barker, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. I appreciate that. Dare I even look at my portfolio right now? Probably not. I don't want to even look at it. Oh, all red. Everything is red. Rack City, man. XYO ETH. I've never heard of that. Sure, let's take a look at it. Man, this thing is destroyed, dude. I mean, if this is the bottom, we could definitely see the 236 fib extension come in and at minimum do a 50% retrace, right? It's a common retrace after being destroyed for so long. You know, getting back up there. You're talking about major moves, right? Like versus ETH here. XYO Network, do they have a USD pair? Never even heard of this coin, man. If I had 1,500 for a day trade, where would I put it? I don't know, man. We just covered a bunch of different coins that you could have done some things with, man. I would just look for something that's really wrecked, honestly. Like, what's Polymath looking like right now? No, maybe not that. I don't know. I don't want to give financial advice, man. Oh, B Pro. Let's look at that. Thought maybe we'd break down out of the wedge. Yeah, it's in a nice consolidation pattern, man. In a nice consolidation pattern. This could be a buying opportunity here. Right, you're oversold on the 4-hour. At the bottom of the channel. Could maybe swing trade this back to the top of the channel, at least to 2.6 cents. You could probably fib it from down here. Get an idea of where yeah, you're like in that reversal area zone. You're starting to get in there, the golden mean zone, right? Pi Network. What's the ticker on that? Never heard of it. I would go with something more known, man. XRP has obviously been around for a while, right? Kin USD. Yeah, sure. Well, we've back tested now. We actually hit the measured move of the range, right? We touched the range. And now we back tested it. So 4 hours implying a reversal, all right? At IVO. Looks like a buying opportunity. Came back down to back test the 1272 fib extension. Back up from the 272 fib extension. So a major correction had here, right? 50%. So I'm telling you guys, when these coins get to a market or a local top, you're going to get a 50% correction. Just expect it. 50% correction. Every time. Burger, that's cool, man. ADA coming right back into the demand zone, demand line here on the hourly. Nice long opportunity here for ADA. All right. What else you guys got? I'm hanging out tonight for a little bit. Take a look at this market cycle chart for a minute. Alright, so we can see on the 4 hour that the tether chart is coming back down, right? Why not, Caprice? Solana, yeah, we can take a look at Solana. Solana's just gone, man. This thing just... I think I had this chart on the perp chart. Yeah, here we go. Solana. The one that got away from me. Awesome, man. Thank you so much for joining me, man. Solana getting tight on the range for probably another breakout. Another breakout. Amazing. Yeah, 28.50 for the target here on Solana. All right, guys. Yeah, Bake. USD. This looks kind of bearish, man, to be honest. Not really sure what this coin is or does, but this could be the bottom, though. It looks like a descending triangle, right? But we might have reached a local bottom for now. To test back up to the top of the range, probably on this $1.17. You know, you got your three levels here, like $1.03, you know, $1.10, breakout, $1.12 back test, you know, $1.17. All right. What else you guys got here, fellas? Ladies, gentlemen, all walks of the earth. Make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Make sure you guys join the Discord, join the movement. Invest in yourselves today, guys. I'm here for you guys. I will help you learn how to chart and do everything you see, what I'm doing here on the streams, to better yourself as a trader, better yourself as a long-term investor, whatever you want to be good at, scalp trading. Obviously, I don't enjoy scalp trading, but there's plenty of folks in the community that do, that are very, very good at scalp trading. We have one individual that does extremely well with it, and he does take a lot of the trades that I post and scalps them, okay? SPI. Oh yeah, shopping IO. This is a big one. Definitely a big one. ENJ was looked at already. Yep. Falling wedge breakout on that. It looks like we're basing out up here. This looks like maybe a descending triangle, okay? Not something bullish up here. It could break further down on this. Right? You guys see how the demand line is straight across, not upsloping? We could get a further move down. 172. Or maybe coming back up. Hey Mark, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, DSLA, that's a big one. I hear a lot of people interested in this one. It's gone pretty parabolic already. All right. You know, 1.5 cent. Anywhere in this range, really. Pull back to before we get a reversal. Walton Chain, yeah, gladly. Let's take a look at Walton Chain. I got a bag of that at 38 cents. Looks pretty good to me. Looks like we came back down to back test this breakout, pivoting here nicely on the hourly. Nice little down sloping channel. Right, Stokes pointed up, hourly looking like it's ready to cross back up to maybe make a potential lower high, come back down and back test again, and then maybe run again, right? Hey guys, we've been live for almost 2 hours today. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, head on over to the website swingtradepros.com. Right now, change your lives today. We have an indicator package that's $57 a month. Guys, very easy to utilize these indicators. I was showing you guys live on stream here about what these RSI bands are. These are very helpful when entering scalp trades or even longer term swing trades. All right, we have the STP buy sell zone indicator, which you can, maybe you can't really see too well, but you notice that the colors of the candles are not green and red, but they're actually blue and red, which will help you understand when to maybe take a long position here. You can see on the hourly, we're printing a continuation, which is perfect on this downsloping consolidation for Walton Chain. We could see a continuation out, right? You guys can try out the buy sell zone indicator if you guys join the Discord under the alerts channel, or under the trial channel here. Show you guys this on my screen. I'm gonna get the Discord link for you guys right now. Post that here in the channel for you guys. Make sure you guys join the Discord. You guys can try out the buy sell zone indicator, which I just explained. There is a YouTube video here explaining how to use it more in detail. Okay. DRX is a big DeFi play. Yes, absolutely. if you guys are hesitant about any of the STP products, just go to the STP testimonial section. You guys will see all the testimonials here about all the different products we have, all the profits and gains people are having every day here. Okay, me posting some trades on gains on some trades. XRP was called out time ago. Yep, that's right. There you go. You guys can see all the evidence and all the proof here, guys. All right. I'm not here to BS you. I'm not here to swindle you, man. I'm just here to help you guys make some money. You know, we got $67 a month for the alert service. I call out trades every day. If there's a trade, if there's no trade, I won't post something. Listen, I'd rather post quality trades for you guys than post something that isn't so quality that maybe gets you wrecked. And I'm not trying to do that. All right. The SAR indicator, the SAR bot, is probably our best product that we have for automated trading right now. And you can see that the SAR probably on the 15-minute is going long on this asset. Which coin is my personal favorite, man? I don't know. I don't have personal favorites, but my biggest bag right now is Ethereum. Okay, if you guys are wondering, my biggest bag is Ethereum. My next biggest bag is Chainlink. All right. Cardano as well. Any big platform coin. Algorand is another blockchain that I'm also heavily invested into. XLM's a good one. I just don't own any. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom commercial break here, guys. I'm gonna play the indicator commercial for you guys. Be right back for 1 second. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right. We've been live for almost 2 hours, guys. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell, okay? Compound looks like it's at an interesting spot here. We're just looking at this. XRP, looks like a lot of these coins are about to do something. This just made a 15-minute double bottom. All right, probably about to make an hourly high or low here as well. No, mono was not checked. We can definitely look at that. I guess we didn't quite make that cup continuation pattern. That's okay. We have a clear top here, okay. And we have this as a demand line. or down. We can also break down, guys. Maybe a couple more days, couple more weeks of consolidating in this pattern, okay? We just started to make this flag up here. All right. All right, guys. Any other tickers here before I jet for the evening? Come on, are you guys still there? I know I've been on for 2 hours. Come on. 2 hours live streaming for you guys. Any more tickers before I jet? In 3, 2, 1. Anything else, guys? Make sure you guys join the Discord, okay? And we have a Sunday 11 a.m. session if you guys are interested in learning the charts like this. It's $27, 11 a.m. Eastern, Sunday morning. All right? Head on over to the website, swingtradepros.com. The group coaching sessions here, okay? They're very helpful. We have a bunch of people that left reviews here, nice reviews. All right? You guys can take a look at these reviews. They're very nice. Obviously, they're pretty recent reviews, okay? BCH we covered earlier in the stream. We call that $600 area as support. Bitcoin we also spoke about earlier. We were saying we're going to see maybe a potential higher or lower high on it before we maybe have one more leg down to that $53,000 to $54,000 area. Maybe we back test the 55 area support. That'd be great. We can double bottom there. If not, we can maybe still make one more leg down. What was my price target on ADA? Short term or long term on ADA, brother? Long term, we're looking at a major target, probably close to like $5. All right. So short term, we're looking, you know, at this neckline, right? This neckline, $127, right? Once we get this back test off the demand line, right? That's really short term. But we're looking to break back above this. If we can do that, we can get back up to the top of the supply line up here. All right, back up to this $1.40 area. Once we do that, we have a good chance of breaking out of this whole pattern. This is a major structure, 88% measured move. Probably do about half the move on the initial breakout, up to like $2. Okay, 88. You'll see. We'll come back in a couple weeks, and the thing is going to be $2. And then there's going to be people asking me, hey, should I buy ADA right now? No, you should be buying ADA right now. Okay, right now, today. $1.19. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to jet. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you tomorrow, all right? Make sure you guys join the Discord. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Join the movement. Join the SCP community, one of the larger trading communities that exists right now in crypto. Probably one of the biggest kept secrets, I'll be honest with you. Nobody really knows about the SAR indicator that we have and the results. People are earning anywhere from 2 to 6% per day with our automated trading bots. Obviously, the manual alerts that I call out in the channel. I've got about an 85% win rate with these. You guys can ask other folks on the stream. I'm sure there's folks on the stream that are part of the alert service that are just watching the stream because they know I'm giving out free trades here. So make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream today.